This Bentley's just arrived. Find me a better car for value for money than this car. Bentley GTC Mulliner in ice metallic, which is actually classed as grey, but it is an outstanding pearlescent colour. Look at it outside. The car's got a carbon fibre S body styling, so we've got front splitter in carbon skirts. When you see the price of this car, if you put a private number on it, it's just absolutely outstanding. It's got heated, cooled, massage seats, reverse camera, the right interior with the right stitching. It's got black leather with a beautiful white stitching inside. It's done 40,000 miles. It was serviced by Bentley earlier this year. It's an absolute unbelievable car for the money. The colour, the way it looks, and the spec. It's got all the right specification. Lovely mileage. Gentleman who owned it previously has bought another Bentley off me, and he looked after the car, and you can see it is so crisp inside, which I'll show you later in the video. It's just a wonderful example. 4 seats, great looks, great condition, and we don't need to retail cars of this age because we normally just trade them on. But when a car arrives like this, in that colour, with this spec, we decide to retail it because it's a great opportunity for us to sell something which is tremendous value, great condition, and somebody will get themselves a wonderful convertible, priced. This car, well over £150,000 new. It's a fantastic car. You can see the front splitter in the carbon, black grille, so it looks really modern. Doesn't look dated at all. I think for the year, with the car being 10 years old, and that's what people have got to realise. You're looking at a car that is 10 years old, so you've got to appreciate that when you're buying it. You know, you're buying it at a fraction of what the price was new. It's 10 years old, but you can see by the condition. The wheels, beautiful again, diamond cut, polished silver, big Bentley logo. You've got them carbon skirts, not aftermarket. You can see you've got the Bentley logo at the bottom there. It just looks really nice. Electric tailgate is another option. All working, you know, beautifully. And also, he was telling me, the guy we bought the car off, he bought that as well, that wind deflector, which again helps. And you've got a decent boot space, so it's practical. Inside, it's all keyless entry, so you just walk to the car. I'll show you the car with the roof up later in the video. You can see, with it being a Mulliner, you've got the quilted leather on the door cards, the white stitching. You can see on the seats, massage seat function, neck warmer here as well. That is an extra Bentley logo. And look at the condition of the leather, the bolster. That indicates how the car's been looked after. 4-litre V8. The car just, you know, purrs along. Down here, there you can see, you've got your heated, you've got your ventilated, you've got air suspension button there as well. Put the car in reverse. It's got reversing camera as an option. And then you've got features which are quite important. You've got Bluetooth, multimedia, so you can still use pair your phone up, play your music through. It does make a big difference. I'll pop the roof up just to show you the car with the roof up. And you've got 4 seats as well. Great value for money. Even the roof lining is all in lovely condition. It's Alcantara at the front here. So there you have it. Beautiful Bentley GTC, stunning colour, all the right extras, Mulliner, carbon. It's going live on the website. If you want to get this car secured, the number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call direct. Thank you for watching.